The movie The Ride is a simple story of a father and son. It mirrors what's happening in our society, especially when it comes to father and son relationships. So it's important for us to see a story like this because magkakaroon tayo ng reflection afterwards. And that's our job as filmmakers to make sure na may kapupulutang aral yung mga nanonood ng pelikula natin. And that's why we did the film, because when it was first pitched to me, I found something that can be addressed, in terms of the relationship between a father and son and the choices that we make in life, because it would always affect the outcome, be it good or bad. So that's why when we decided to do this project, we was very clear that that message has to be sent across. Particularly for my character, it was a good-for-nothing kind of guy. So with all the choices that he made, he didn't realize na may maapektong anak niya, yung bata, si Kylie Chari. So yun yung kailangan nating isipin, yung mga choices na ginagawa natin sa buhay, makakabuti pa siya para sa atin, at isipin din natin yung mga tao sa paligid natin, how it will affect them.